to another mini vlog. Today we're headed to Galveston Beach. The kids are on spring break, so we're gonna take advantage of this beautiful day and enjoy the beach. He'd rather do 3. The girl outgrew her swimsuit, so I sold it on Poshmark, so we need to buy a new one. Alright, so we're liking this one. The Buc-ee's exit, so we're not getting the Buc-ee's experience today. Looks like we're going to a regular gas station for snacks, y'all. Come on, you guys, go ahead. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you know, you know. They're fake cigarette candy.
I don't want that.
Perfect! My kids complaining about our heavy duty sand gear.
Bruh.
That works better than that flimsy sandcastle stuff.
I like it.
Got your favorite snack?
Yeah.
Even though I got my workout in today, I still want to get a few more steps in. So we're walking along the beach. They say, why is it a no swimming sign at the beach? First of all, my kids are hating on my beach setup here. Look at this, Hack 101. Go to the dollar store and get you a shower liner. And then, there you go. I'm trying this dark chocolate Kit Kat for the first time. Nothing worse than a stale Kit Kat, okay? Yeah.